In this project, I am using LCD display to scroll the characters towards left and right, and this is the potentiometer to control the brightness of this LCD. I am using Arduino Uno. For the explanation of this project, I am using this Tinkercad. This is the free software, and then I will explain the code, which is the Arduino code. I will also add the link of the code in the description. So let's start. So we are using this Arduino Uno for this project. First of all, let me explain you the pins of this LCD. This is the ground pin. Then we are giving 5 volts from this Arduino Uno. V0 is specifically just used to change the display brightness from 0 to 5, and then RS is the set register. You can say that where we are getting the data specifically. Then read and write pin will go to the negative terminal of Arduino. Then this is the enable pin, and we are using just 4 pins, not all the 8 pins. We are using from DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7, and these pins are connected with here you can see with 5, 4, 3 and 2 pin holders of the Arduino, and this RS and enable pin are going to connect with 11 and 12 pins. Then the last 2 pins are the LED pins, LED plus and LED minus. We are passing it through this 220 ohm resistor. They are giving light to the LEDs of this display. This is the whole explanation of this project. Now I will a bit explain you this code. So first of all, we are using this library liquidcrystal.h. Then this constant integers are like RS12, enable D4, 5, D6 and D7, as I showed you with this schematic. And be very clear that if you are using 4, 5, 6, 7, they are not going to connect exactly here 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm using 5, 4, 3 and 2. In this way it will help you to understand the code easily. Otherwise you have to change these numbers here. We go to the void setup. LCD begin 16,2. It means that my LCD is having 16 columns and 2 rows. LCD.print. It will be like whatever you will write. This is my channel name. I put it here, then delay for 1 second. In void loop, there are 3 things are happening. First of all, I will also show you this scrolling of these characters. So it will start from 0, the location will be 0, and then it will move towards left for 16 characters, and then it is adding it up, like moving one by one towards left. I am using this command lcd.scroll display left, and then there will be a display of 150 milliseconds. It will be very less. Then when it will reach towards the extreme left, then it will come toward the extreme right. As these characters are having, like I have 16 characters, so I am using 16 number here. To go to the extreme right, I have to make it double, like 16 plus 16, then it will become 32. Then it will go to the extreme right of it. And I will use the same command with right here, lcd.scroll display right. There is a little delay of 150 milliseconds, and again it have to come to its original position. That's why it will come back towards left again for 16 characters. So this is a whole project, and now I will also show you this how it is happening on my display. Now it will move towards left for 16 characters. Now it is going to move towards right for 32 characters, and then it will come back to its in the middle for 16 characters. So this is the working of this code. I think you understand clearly that how this project is happening. I have already added many videos by using the sensor with the display. So you can visit my channel to understand more about these videos. Thank you.